In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Calendar with details. First, open your preferred web browser on a computer and go to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Once the calendar loads, choose the view that best matches what you want to print. Week and month views are great for a broad overview, while day view is useful if you need a detailed schedule for a single day. Make sure any calendars you want included are visible. You can toggle them on or off from the sidebar, so only the relevant events appear on the page you're about to print. Next, move your cursor over the calendar area and right-click with your mouse. This opens a context menu with printing options. Right-clicking from within the calendar area ensures your browser focuses on the schedule layout, which makes the printout cleaner and more readable. If you prefer using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. Select Print from the menu to open the print preview. In the preview window, you'll see how your calendar will look on paper. Before moving on, take a moment to fine-tune what appears. This is where you make sure you're truly printing with details. Look for options to adjust the date range, layout orientation, and size so that events aren't cut off. If you see a setting to include event descriptions or notes, enable it so longer details show beneath each event title. You can also choose whether to include declined events, time zones, or other view options if they're available. These small adjustments can make the difference between a basic overview and a clear, comprehensive schedule that's ready for meetings, handouts, or personal reference. When the preview looks right, click Print in that window. Your system's print dialog will open. Here, choose your printer, confirm the number of copies, and select color or black and white. If you're sharing the calendar digitally, you can switch the destination to save as PDF. That preserves all formatting and details, making it easy to email or store for later. Double check the page range, margins, and scale if your printout looks cramped or spills onto extra pages. A slight scale reduction often fits everything neatly without cutting off event text. That's it. You've opened Google Calendar, used the right-click menu to access printing, tailored the preview to include details, and finalized the print from your system. Pause and repeat these steps anytime you need a clean, detailed copy of your schedule.